I am upstairs of this 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath house. There is central air conditioning. All of the bedrooms are upstairs. Comes with a full-size washer and dryer. There's a half bath downstairs. Kitchen with dishwasher, electric stove, microwave, and refrigerator. And a nice fenced yard.